Unlock hidden SEO power and supercharge your social media sharing by dynamically injecting meta tags into your website using Google Tag Manager. No coding required. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account and select the container for the website you're working on. Next, navigate to the tag section in the left-hand menu and click the New button to create a new tag. Give your tag a descriptive name, like Dynamic Meta Description. Now, click on Tag Configuration and choose Custom HTML as the tag type. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the HTML code for the meta tag you want to inject. For example, meta name equals description content equals your dynamic description here. Remember to replace your dynamic description here with your desired description. Now, let's set up a trigger. Click on the triggering section below the tag configuration. For a simple implementation that applies the meta tag to every page, select the All Pages trigger. However, for more advanced targeting based on specific URLs or conditions, you might want to configure a custom trigger. Once you're happy with your tag configuration and trigger, click the Save button. Before publishing, always preview your changes. Click the Preview button in the top right corner. This will open your website in a new tab with the GTM Preview panel at the bottom. Check that your meta tag is correctly injected into the head section of the page. You can use your browser's developer tools to verify this. If everything looks good, return to Google Tag Manager and click the Submit button. Add a descriptive version, name and description, and then click Publish, and that's it. You've successfully added a meta tag using Google Tag Manager.